Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are on a little creek. It comes into a little river, but we brought worms and we brought cut bait too to do a little bottom fishing, see if we can snag ourselves a carp, a sucker, whatever. We'll see, and if we catch one, we'll cook it up for you and we'll show you how we do it too. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do. But I'll quit boring you. Let's get to the fishing. You know, me and Case always used to have a tradition where we'd go swimming in the pond on St. Patty's Day. Well, right now I don't think we could, because I think there's still ice on it.
Really?
Oh yeah. We're on, buddy. First one of the year. It's a red horse. Or is it a sucker? No, it's a straight up, it's a white sucker. Freaking sweet. We did it. We're gonna eat his ass.
Are you?
Yeah. I tried to catch these last week and all I caught was trout. And I was trying to catch them so I could eat them. We're on them, boys. Whoa. Oh.
You good?
Yeah, I'm excited. We are eating a sucker, ladies and gents, and it's gonna be good. Dude, I might be getting bit again. I also might not be. I'd wash my hands off, but I don't know if that's actually gonna work like that. Ooh. Dude, I'm on. Is it a sucker? Yeah, another nice one. The sucker bite is on, buddy. I told ya. I told ya. Holy shnikes, that is a giant.
It's in your fucking boot hole. He ain't going nowhere.
Nice clean sucker. Just look at him. I love it. I love it. Dude, I think this one's getting bit. Yep, that's probably good for the fryer. I might even put these in like a tank for a couple days. Oh wait, they're not gonna live that long. All right, we're officially on fire. First, I guess technically not my first open water fish. I already told you guys I caught some trout, but this is kind of my roots anyways. Bottom fishing, night crawlers, mud. That's what it's all about. That's what Canadian hospitality is all about. Oop, getting bit. Getting bit. My rod is junk. On. Another sucker.
What?
Another sucker.
I thought you said not a sucker.
Dude, they fight. They're big, man. These are big suckers.
You put half worms on?
I am doing whole, but you could probably get away with a half. Dude, that is a nice fish. Look at that. Hell yeah. Well, the pike aren't running, but the suckers are running. Let's go. I'm way too excited right now, but I don't care. All right, we have arrived at the secret spot. Drag Ripper City. Secret spot right on the boat ramp. Here we go. All right, today we are rocking classic rigs. On this one, we got just a Carolina rig and an octopus hook. It's a little big for any of the smallmouth variety of fish that we might be catching, so if this gets tapped a bunch, we'll downsize. Carolina rig, sinker slide, 1 ounce pyramid sinker. Oh, this is like 20-pound fluorocarbon or something like that. Way too heavy for carp and those kind of fish, but it's kind of my catfish setup, so we'll chuck it out there and see what happens. Just got a split shot and a little Aberdeen. We'll yuck it way out there so eventually it'll get to the bottom. And actually we're casting perfectly down current, so I don't got to worry about it getting snagged up. So eventually it'll make its way to the bottom and we'll see what happens. I got this on actually, I think I don't remember if it's 8 pound or 15 pound. It looks like 8 pound fluorocarbon leader. So we'll give this a yuck and see what we can make happen. Maybe. Oh, we're gonna put it in our hand. Oh, so I don't gotta get up out of my chair if I get a bite. It's probably what I should have done from the beginning.
For high-level performers,
I got a fish
pretty
on.
much been established that you need.
It's all right. I know you guys probably want to listen to my podcast, but I figured I'd turn it off for you. Ugh. What do we got? Is it a carp? Is it a carp? It's a carp! Or is it a sucker? Holy shit, it's a huge sucker. It's a big sucker. Big white sucker. Oh, look at the big black nose on him. Not a bad fish. I mean, it's a pretty big sucker. We'll show you guys it real quick. Look at the head. Look at that big bony. There you go. First fish we've landed so far, this big flathead looking freaking white sucker. As the semi's going by. But I was honestly reeling that in to check my bait, and I don't know how long he was on there, but he's all riled up still. Let's get him going. Ugh, but there he goes. No, wrong way. Get going. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. All right, let's do it again. On. I just felt one tap while it was in my hand, and I hooked it. It is not big. Oh, is it a red horse? That's a red horse. It's a dirty red horse. That's cleaning you off. All right. Easy. Here we go. Nice. And that is why we were missing them early, folks. Look how small that freaking mouth is. But I think they're really pretty fish, personally. Easy. Got a nice shine to them. That red tail's pretty cool too. Apparently these kind eat up pretty good, just like those suckers do that they cooked this morning, but we're not gonna eat him. We're not keeping fish today, but he just tapped it once and I got him. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Which way are you gonna go? That way? Got it. Good on you. All right, let's catch another. All right, y'all, we're back in the kitchen. This is our finished product. You can see how we scored our sucker about every, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. Scaled it, left the skin on. I did not videotape us actually going through the process of cleaning them last night. We'll do that in a different video and kind of show you guys how we did. But we're gonna get these breaded up. We're gonna get them in some hot oil, and we're gonna let you know what they taste like. I mean, you look at the flesh on this sucker, and that is nice, white looking meat. I mean, it doesn't look much different than, you know, a bass or a crappie or anything like that. I got high hopes. So that scoring is supposed to break up the bones a little bit because there's actually a row of bones right there, a row of bones right there. Let's get them breaded, let's get them fried up, see how they go. I have a feeling it's probably gonna kind of curl up a little bit since it's still got the skin on. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully it kind of stays whole and we're able to flip it pretty well. Oh, that smells good. All right. First test is one of those little nugget pieces that fell off. It's hot. It's pretty good. I got no problem with it. Although you put shore lunch on anything, it's gonna taste good, but I don't know, that's good. We'll see how the rest of the fillets turn out. Good flavor. Yeah, I mean, the texture's there. I mean, I would compare it kind of to catfish, but a little bit flakier. It's better than catfish. I don't think I'm gonna be throwing a whole lot of suckers back. It's a little bit extra work, but that's good. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you the next time we're chasing giants.